Dogmatic principle of the fingerprint identification, principle of individuality. It means that no two person are exact fingerprint. Ibig sabihin yan, walang tao na magkaparehas ang fingerprint. Sa principle of permanency, constancy, o immutability, assess that the fingerprint remains the same through life. Ibig sabihin yung fingerprint ng isang tao ay hindi magbabago hanggang sa siya ay mamatay, hanggang sa paglibing niya. Hindi magbabago 'yan. Principle of infallibility. This means that the fingerprint is reliable, a positive means of identification. Hindi pwedeng mapeke. Yan. John Dillinger has used the acetone to remove his fingerprint. Akala ni John Dillinger na yung fingerprint niya ay mabubura sa pamamagitan ng acetone. Kaso nga lang, bumalik.